First, open fakesy.pro from the main menu. Select Stock Image Metadata Generator, which will take you to the corresponding page. Next, click on Gemini Free API to generate your API key. This will redirect you to the Sign Up page. You can sign up quickly using your Google account. After signing up, you'll be taken to a new page. Check the two required sections and click Continue. Then, click the button labeled Create API Key. Once the API key is generated, copy it and return to the fakesy metadata image tool. Paste your API key into the tool and click Save. Now, upload your image and wait for the AI to generate your metadata. And voila! You'll receive the title, description, and keywords for your image. You can either copy them manually or download a CSV file and upload it to stock image platforms.